What's up, you guys? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I hope and pray all your wishes come true. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspired Team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Now, today's tip today is be around people that inspire you. Be around people that give you hopes, dream, aspiration, inspiration. Be around those that love you for who you are. Be around people who care for you, genuinely. Be around people that's good for your soul, good for your heart. Be around people with good intention. Be around people that's there for you for the right reason, for the right cause. Don't be around anybody that's negative, that's toxic. Don't be around people who only use you just to drain your energy. Be around those that's actually there for you, okay? Alright, family, you know what I do, man. I try to make a short video every single day. Give you guys a tip of life, tip of spice, tip of everything. So if you haven't read it yet, guys, you know what to do. Smash the like button like it's hump day. Join the family where we get better, do better, and we be better. See you guys next time on the next motivational, inspirational video. Well, love y'all. Peace.